What's the meaning of anion? Anion. 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 Anion.
An ion is an atom or molecule that has gained or lost one or more electrons, resulting in a net electrical charge. Anions are ions that have gained one or more electrons and therefore carry a negative charge. They are attracted to the anode, positive electrode, in electrolysis and are often involved in chemical reactions that produce hydroxide ions. The addition of anions to solutions can alter their pH levels and affect other properties such as solubility and reactivity. Examples of common anions include chloride, sulfate, and nitrate.